In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Any.do with Google Calendar. This process not only ensures that all your tasks and events are seamlessly integrated, but it also allows you to streamline your productivity by having everything in one place. Now, let's get started. First, we need to head over to Zapier.com. Zapier is an incredibly powerful automation tool that connects different apps and services, making syncing processes like these nearly effortless. Once you're on the Zapier homepage, you'll need to log into your account. If you don't have one yet, it only takes a moment to sign up. After you're logged in, locate the Create Zap button. Click on it, and this will begin the setup for your new automation, known here as a Zap. Your next step involves setting up the trigger. In this case, we want to use Google Calendar as our trigger app. Choose Google Calendar from the list presented to you. Once selected, you'll need to specify what kind of event you want to trigger your Zap. Here, we'll choose New Event. This means that any new event you create in Google Calendar will trigger this automation. Moving on to step 2, it's time to connect your Google account to Zapier. Simply follow the prompts to authorize Zapier's access to your Google Calendar. This connection is crucial as it allows Zapier to recognize when a new event is added. Once your Google account is linked, you're ready to set up the action app, which in this synchronization will be Any.do. Choose Any.do and then select the action Create Task. This action is what will happen once your Zap is triggered. Similarly, just like we did with Google, you'll now need to connect your Any.do account. Follow the instructions on the screen to allow Zapier to access your Any.do account. With both services now connected, we can move on to mapping the fields between Google Calendar and Any.do. In step 3, you'll need to decide how the details from a Google Calendar event are transferred over and interpreted by Any.do. For instance, the event title in Google Calendar will map to the task name in Any.do. Additionally, make sure to properly assign the date and time fields if you want them recognized accurately in Any.do. This mapping is crucial as it ensures that your events are represented correctly in your task list. Now that the fields are mapped, it's time to bring your Zap to life. Click on Test and Publish to activate your Zap. Running a test is a great way to check if everything functions as expected. Once you're sure everything is set up perfectly, go ahead and publish your Zap. That's it. Your Google Calendar and Any.do are now synchronized, helping you manage your tasks and events efficiently and without missing a beat. And there you have it, a straightforward way to integrate these platforms, all thanks to Zapier. This setup will make managing your schedule and tasks much more efficient, giving you more time to focus on what truly matters. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!